here with a really quick and easy tip on how to make your own light box or light table. The kids really love our light table at school, and this is a really cheap and easy way for you to make one. All you really need is a clear bin or box. I'm using my Easter bin. Mine has a white solid lid. Some of them usually have a clear lid, but not to worry. I'll show you. You can just tip it upside down. And all you really need is some sort of light or lantern or battery power operated flashlight, Christmas lights. I'm using a solar powered little lantern that I have that I bought for emergencies. So simply I'm going to put my light on, put it in my box, and I'm going to flip my light table upside down because, like I mentioned, the bottom was not, the bottom part was not clear. I flipped my table over and my light is starting to die, but if you notice, I've already got a simple DIY light table. Now, what to put on top? Kids can practice tracing or drawing from an image. You can paint on this, you can build on this, anything neon or magnet tiles. I just had some neon colored straws that I found. This would be great to add some Play-Doh where the kids could bend and cut and really stick to this, which is a great foundation. I'm gonna shut the lights real quick and show you what it looks like in the dark. So no matter what you do on the light table, your kids are gonna love it because A, you're turning the lights off, it's glowing, and anything that you put on it, of course my light, like I said, is a little bit dying, but really anything you do on top of the light table, I think your kids are gonna love. So have fun exploring and have fun playing in the dark. Bye guys.